Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the checkered marks that you see all over ARC vehicles and stuff like that. But if you want to see more tutorials and stuff from me, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button and that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with all the stuff I'm doing. So what you need is a white or a light grey. I tend to go for a light grey, like administratum grey, just because I think ARCs won't have bright white paint, maybe, I don't know, but it's up to you anyway. So what we're doing here is basically just painting everything in this little square white or grey, and then obviously make sure that's a nice even coat, but then again it doesn't even matter if it isn't. Now what we need to do is etch out or mark out the black lines. You can go up and down, but I'm going diagonal. Again, try and water your paint down here if you can. If you don't, it's going to be a little tricky to get them landing. But again guys, we are pitting ARC vehicles, so you don't even have to be neat. I don't even know why I'm doing this tutorial, to be fair. It is pretty straightforward. I just thought I'd show you how I do. So because I've done them diagonal, it gives you that like guideline of where to go next with the line. So I've gone from corner to corner. And there you go, you get instant squares, shall we say, or checkers, or whatever they're called. And then what we're doing, once I move my fingers out of the way so you can all see, is we're going to be filling them all in black. I'm just tidying the lines up here. But yeah, all you need to do now is pick where you want to start and fill that little bit in with black. Or whatever colour you want to do, really. You don't have to do black and white checks, you can do any colour. So that is what it should look like once it is done. What I did was the front part as well. So this is what it looks like, exactly the same way. And it's quite effective. Now what I'm going to do after this is probably wash that with like a Agrax and then battle damage it up with some silvers and all that type of stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace!